My 25F husband, 26M, broke our dog's leg, and I'm worried for the child I'm currently carrying. So I'm a big pet lover. We own multiple dogs, reptiles, frogs, and small animals. My job was in the pet care industry, but I've been laid off due to the shutdown. Being home more has allowed me to see that the animals are not as close to him as they are to me. I didn't initially think it was significant, as I am the main one who looks after them and had many of them before we began our relationship. The pets have their room, and yesterday, when I went to let our dogs out, I noticed our 5 pounds Chihuahua mix was limping and not putting any weight on his leg. My husband jokingly said a few minutes before I checked on him, I got Rufus to stop scratching the door. I thought nothing of it until my poor dog was unable to move. I took him to the vet.